I have an interesting idea for you and a tip to help keep your teeth stain-free and cleaner. So if you drink coffee and your teeth tend to get stained, or maybe your teeth get stained from wine or maybe other substances, simply brushing like this with water will get some of the stain off, but it doesn't really do the kind of job that you really might want to have done to get that stain off. So once a week, it would not be harmful to take your toothbrush, dip it in some water, and dip it in some baking soda, and let's try doing that again on another area. I think you'll find that it gets the stain off a lot quicker than it did, and a lot more effectively than it did just with plain water. And it doesn't hurt to do it once a week. I wouldn't do it more often than that because it is abrasive. But once a week, to remove as much stain as possible, you'd be surprised at how much cleaner, stain-free, and more appealing your smile will be. So you might want to give it a try. At any rate, make sure your mouth is healthy, keep it clean, because if your mouth's not healthy, you are not healthy. Very, very important. We'd love to hear from you. Questions, comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Mainly, have a good day. Take care.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.